Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S70 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this DOOGEE. First of all, you need to access menu, find calendar and click on it. Now tap at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Then click on the Allow and tap on the date over here. From here you can set up a date, and when you're done, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, take notes, and even select location by tapping on allow, typing wherever you want to and clicking at the chosen one. Then choose save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it by clicking it, tapping on those three dots at the top right corner and selecting delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!